Welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about this organic cultivation on open terrace. See, this is sweet potato. The incredible yield we can get on open terrace with Israel technology technique. So in this Israel technology, this is purely soilless cultivation. Means we will use vermicompost, coco pit, micronutrients, macronutrients, and vermicompost. So, Israel technology grow bag, and this speciality of this Israel technology grow bag is this is water permeable. Means if you pour more water, it will allow only selective water, and it will discharge from the grow bag, and in unfavorable climatic conditions, it will absorb the atmospheric moisture, and the plant can sustain for months together. This is the beauty of Israel technology grow bags. So, the grow bags will be available in different shapes and sizes, preferably 1 square feet grow bag with a height of 1 feet, and it will be in the round form or in the square form. Like that, different shapes will be available, and this is we can get this much of size within 60 to 90 days with abundant yield of this sweet potato. It is having so much of nutrients, minerals, and essential elements, and fiber, and starch, rich of starch. We can supply it to milk products companies for baby milk products, because this is having the purest, absolutely 0% pesticide, 100% pesticide free. This is organic cultivation. It is rich of abundant starch and fiber. So, actually, the Japanese and Indonesia people and the Chinese usually regularly they used to take this sweet potato recipe, so that their lifespan will be enhanced by 10 to 15 years more, because it is having so much of nutrients and vitamins and minerals, and anti-aging aging product. If we consume this sweet potato, the aging of a person or a woman will be delayed. So, and rich of antioxidants also will be available in this sweet potato. This is the smallest weight, means 1.5 to 2 kgs, and the maximum weight we can obtain by 5 to 6 kgs also. So, I am the expert in rhizome cultivation with limited space. I can retrieve 10 kgs more yield, like sweet potato, and curcumin, means turmeric, and radish, and carrot, beetroot, elephant leg, like that, all rhizome family I can cultivate with tremendous yield. So, we have the technology, and these germinations, if we plant it in a small cups, it will be proliferate and rejuvenate automatically. So, we are selling each plant 10 rupees only, and within 60 to 90 days you can get tons of yield. So, anybody wants to develop organic cultivation on their own premises, please contact the scrolling number, so that we can supply lakhs of plants to the end user, and even farmers also. So, this is the beauty of organic cultivation on open terrace. So, tremendous yield everybody can retrieve, and we will also take a lease basis also, because we will incorporate grow bags, and we will supply macro nutrients and vermicompost and coco peat. So the tenant should pour water regularly, so that the yield will be sharing by 60-40 ratio, 60 to the investor and 40 rupees to the building owner, so that like that win-win situation also we are incorporating and inviting who willing to introduce this organic cultivation, who likes to travel with this cultivation. Please feel free to call me on the scrolling number. So every organic product, if you consume the fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, and this rhizome family, the lifespan of the consumed individual or person will be enhanced by 10 to 15 years more. So nowadays the chemical free cultivation is inevitable and mandatory, because the pollution levels going so much of pollution levels in air pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, in even in food products also, even vegetables and fruits, and these rhizome family also, because the farmer itself wants to retrieve more of yield by insect bites or pest attacks, to control pest attacks, or rot disease, or stem necrosis, or root necrosis. Like that the farmer used to take powerful chemicals and sprayers and dusting powders from this fertilizer shop, and they are spilling and spraying and coating on vegetables, fruits, and flowering plants, and these rhizome family also. So indirectly, if you consume that open land cultivated fertilizer based cultivated product, your kidneys will gone, your your pancreas will gone, your gastrointestinal system will be perforated, or you will get ulcers, duodenal ulcer or peptic ulcer, and renal insufficiency, and nephrotic syndrome, because so many patients suffering with CKD, chronic kidney disease. This is again due to this pesticide affected green by taking consuming the pesticide affected green leafy vegetables, fruits, and these earth derivative rhizome family. So everybody should turn and should take a U-turn and cultivate in a limited space also. You can retrieve more of yield, abundant yield, incredible yield on open terrace, even sit out area also will be sufficient to cultivate or cultivate this organic vegetables, fruiting plants, and this rhizome family. So in the city, metro city like Hyderabad, Calcutta, Mumbai, and Delhi, and Chennai, the space is money. The space is very precious, because we are paying hundreds of rupees to commercial areas and even residential areas. So space utilization by exposing this natural sunlight will be more inevitable, and we can cultivate n number of fruiting plants, vegetables, and this rhizome family and even cereals also. We can cultivate paddy, we can cultivate wheat and this sweet potatoes, sweet corn, popcorn, and even grains also we can cultivate, pulses also, because beans also very easy to cultivate in open terrace, even in sit-outs also. The maximum sunlight exposure 4 to 5 hours will be more than sufficient to grow this stimulated this photosynthesis process and germination of roots and flowering and fruiting. Everything will be stimulated by the exposure of sunlight with 4 to 5 hours. So everybody has to everybody should turn like a farmer for 1 to 2 hours. We can spend morning 1 hour and evening 1 hour. The growth will be controlled by the sun, because we are pouring water intermittently, and the growth will be uninterrupted growth, and the growth will be enormous and incredible, and the tons of weight within 100 square feet. I can challenge 1 ton I can retrieve on open terrace within 100 square feet. So this is the beauty of organic cultivation. So weekends means Friday, from Friday to Monday you can do open land cultivation or terrace cultivation. If you are not interested in open land cultivation because of so many domestic and wild animals attacks, because goat, sheep, monkeys, rabbits, rodents, snakes and wild pigs, they spoil the crop. So there will be pilferage and wastage of crop, and so much of loss for the farmer. So there will be fencing is inevitable, and for this rhizome family I am advising on open terrace, because the grow bag itself is adaptable, pliable and flexible and moldable and foldable. Like that, the grow bag is highly expandable like a elastic. So the growth of the rhizome will be unlimited. Within 360 degrees, the growth will be enormous and abnormal and incredible, and huge growth we can obtain in this organic cultivation by Israel technology. Please please watch JRTV. Please press bell button. Please share it in your big friend circle. Please comment. Comment on uploading videos, so that your comments are our best stimulations and best energies for our channel growth. Please feel free to comment on uploading videos, because your comments are our best growth for the channel. And please subscribe, and please share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle, so that you can even you lost job, you can become a best cultivator, best farmer on concrete jungle. This is for sure. Please watch JRTV, and please subscribe to JRTV. Please share it in your big friend circle, and please comment on uploading videos, so that your comments are our best energies and best stimulators and best growth for our channel. And every day we will release so many updations and so many videos for easy growing on open terrace, only pouring of water, and we will supply these Israel technology grow bags, coco-pit, micronutrients, macronutrients, vermicompost, and all the essential elements we will supply. You just pour it in the morning and evening. The growth will be controlled by sun, and you can get after 60 days, you will get tons of yield on open terrace. Even curcumin, even cucumber, and watermelon, and all gourds, grue gourd, snake gourd, and bitter gourd, and all brinjal, eggplant, and all the fiber-based gourd family. We can easily cultivate on open terrace without any stress and strain, and without any fear or phobia, because so many people we started but unable to continue the organic cultivation, saying like that, because they don't have confidence, simply because you concentrate what the plant what the plant needs, water or the essential elements. You observe, so that we will inspect the your terrace area, and we will suggest the nutrients, and we will supervision will be there, and I can challenge. You can beat my this yield also. You can beat. I can beat 10 kgs of yield in 1 square feet of grow bag. You can beat me. You can challenge 12 kgs for 1 square feet also, because concentration and confidence are route to success. So that you can concentrate, and you should have confidence, so that incredible yield you can get it on 30 days also, 30 or 60 days, maximum 60 days. And if you wait for 30 days also, there will be tons of yield. Even your slab can't withstand the weight. That much of yield you can retrieve in this rhizome family. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Please subscribe JRTV. Please press bell button, so that every update from JRTV will be updated to you. Please share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle, and please comment on uploading videos, so that your comments are our best stimulations and best energies for our channel. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Signing off.